Hello, this is Mary with Mango Math, and I'm here with Millie to give a lesson tutorial out of our 5th grade math kit. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with all things Mango Math. That's Improper is a game in which students will be using dominoes that will create fractions for them. So students will take a domino, they'll turn it over, and place that domino on their board so that the largest number is on top. The smallest number is on the bottom to create an improper fraction. They will select 2 dominoes to do that. So they have one domino that's 5 halves and the other domino that is 6 fifths. So they can change these dominoes into a whole number or a mixed number. So in the case of the 5 halves, it's actually equal to 2 1/2. And 6 fifths is equal to 1 1/5. So the students will create 2 mixed fractions, or a mixed fraction, a whole number, however their domino turns out to be. They are going to take that problem, 2 1/2, plus or minus based on what they roll on their dice. And in this case, they rolled a plus, so they're going to add their fractions together. So I have 2 1/2 plus 1 1/5. Now, because they have mixed denominators, we have to come up with a common factor, which in this case is going to be 10. So I now have 2 5/10 plus 1 2/10. Because 2 goes into 10 5 times, 5 goes into 10 2 times. So my answer then becomes, my 1 plus my 2 gives me 3, and my 5/10 plus 2/10 gives me 7/10. So my answer to this problem that I created is 3 7/10. Other students will be solving their own problems through their own dominoes that they drew. Then everybody's going to compare their fractions, their whole numbers and their fractions, to see who has the largest number, and then that person wins that round. Then have fun playing this game that's called That's Improper. Thank you for checking out our video and seeing how to play these great Mango Math games. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more Mango content, and check out our website at www.mangomath.com.